Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. After the previous week has closed this candle here, I was expecting that the price will try to reach again this area of support, but the price on a Monday formed this strong bullish candle going above this area of confluence of resistance, returning back inside this uptrend channel, reaching the next resistance level, and on Tuesday the price formed another bullish candle. This bullish breakout has been formed. I have shared with the traders inside the previous service where the target was 2653.45. This is everything done on the lower time frame, 2618. We can see that 2618. After this bullish breakout has been formed, this information the traders has received with the target right here. After that, after the price formed this bullish breakout again, they also received information that the next target will be around this area of resistance. And then again, after the price formed a bullish breakout above this area, we can see that this bullish candle, the target was right here at this resistance. This is something that I have shared each day with the traders during the week when this bullish breakout or bearish breakout has been formed, so they are informed. So if you would like also to receive this information during the week, feel free to join the premium service. The link will be below. Now we can see that the price has formed on a Tuesday, again bullish candle. It was a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, and this is something that I also have traded, and the target was around this one area, which is a confluence of resistance. We can see that the price is stopped right here, which is a very important information for the weekly. Now we can see that after the price has formed these strong bearish candles in the 2 weeks before, we can see that this week has a pretty bullish one, and the price has returned all the way back up, forming several breakouts during the week. Monthly time frame shows me currently a bullish pin bar right in between this resistance and the support level, which is currently not showing any precise information for me, at least because it is in between the support and the resistance, so this bullish pin bar doesn't have any value for me. So we have one more week until this month closes. How the price will behave, how it will react, this is something that I need to watch on the daily time frame, because if you take a look on the daily, we are at a very important resistance level. How the price will behave around this area, it is something that I need to watch, and also I will follow the market. So I will not predict anything what could happen around this area here, because it is very important confluence of resistance where there is a potential bullish breakout, but also a retrace from here out down to here before attempting to rise in value. Something that I will watch on the lower time frame, you can see that on the 4-hour time frame it is also a confluence of resistance, so I will see what happens around this area. I will not chase the market, I will follow the market and see how the market reacts, and then I will jump in to ride the wave of the higher players. If you would like also to join and also check the premium service, the link will be below, so you are informed when the bullish breakout forms with its potential target or bearish or bullish breakouts. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.